Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here, as usual, sharpening video. First, cheers to your health. Very simple premise today, how I maintain my paring knives. I use Victorinox 4-inch knives, 5, 6, 7 US dollars here in Bulgaria. Really good stuff, thin behind the edge, thin blade stock, as I said, cheap. I tend not to spend too much time with these. In front of you, DMT 6-inch plate, coarse and fine, so 325 and 600 grit. I already distressed the edge. Being as thin and semi-flexible as they are, one thing you should avoid is to flex them, to use too much force. And for that I like to work with a coarser stone. Let's check the progress. And that's from DMT Coarse. Just a couple more. Flip the plate. Some water. Refine the scratch pattern. Check the progress and create microbello. Only the weight of the knife. You can see, and I can see, a little bit of snagging. Keep in mind, we can bring this edge further with higher grit stones, but such a combination plate, coarse and fine, accordingly 325 and 600 grit, or one of these bad boys, 180 320 silicon carbide, are enough and perfectly fine for keeping your paring knives in shape. Of course, as I said, go higher if you have the time, but I'm going to prepare dinner now and I just need it very quick to bring this knife to sharp again. Stay safe, stay home, cheers to your health. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.